Now let us create a class in package 2. So new class, let us name it other demo1. See, this is in package 2 and demo1 is in package 1. Now this other demo1 is a subclass of demo1, right? But this demo1 class is not in same package, so we have to import this. So import package1.demo1. Now we can create a subclass of demo1 in this package. Okay, now let us create variables b1 and assign the value of x1 of superclass to this one. So yes, we can do this, no error. Let us try to assess the protected variable. See, x2 is protected variable. Yes, we can do that. Now let us try to assess the default variable. So x3, and see, we can't do that. It is saying demo1.x3 is not visible. Okay, so default variable of superclass is not accessible. Okay, now b4 equal x4, and x4 is a private variable, right? So x4 we can't access it, so default variable of private variable of superclass is not accessible. Okay, so comment these two lines. Now compile it. See, there is no error. Okay, so only public and protected, these two types of SS modifiers can be assessed from a subclass. Okay, so public and protected can be assessed only in subclass from different package, but default and private cannot be assessed. Now we will try in different package non-subclass. So in that case we can assess only public modifiers, no protected, no default, no private, nothing we can assess. Okay, so let us do it in practical.